from all these visions of Amos, what do we learn as Christians? Number one, as Christians, we learn that we should accept corrections. Remember, the Israelites here were being corrected, and they did not accept to be corrected. They did not repent. That's why they were being punished. So as Christians, we should accept corrections. We should also, we learn also God forgives if you repent. He forgives if you repent. You see, in the first two visions, Amos pleaded for them, right? He pleaded for them. It's like he was asking for what? Forgiveness on their behalf. He interceded for them, and God averted the what? The punishment. So God forgives. If only as Christians we do what? We repent. We also learn that God punishes. You see now, he was to punish the what? The Israelites. Because they were sinful. We are going to look at the sins of what they did during the time of Amos. We also learn that God answered what? Prayer. He answered the prayer of Amos when he pleaded on behalf of the Israelites. We also learn that as Christians we should obey what? God. We should obey his teachings. We should obey God. We also learn that we should be sincere as Christians in our worship. We should be sincere in our worship. That is, no hypocrisy in worship. If we are worshiping God, we're in church, we should be very sincere. We should also, we learn that as Christians, no one can escape God's judgment. Look even in the last, whereby there was destruction of the altar. No one would escape the punishment of God during this time of Amos.